Welcome, my name is Lily, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own pink rose lip scrub. This is made with sugar, coconut oil, shea butter, and rose hip seed oil. I'm also going to be using beetroot powder, and I'm also going to be using some Egyptian dried rose petals. This is super easy and affordable to make, so please stay tuned. This lip scrub is going to exfoliate and soften your lips, and if you follow this with a lip balm, which is recommended, your lips are going to feel amazingly soft and they're going to be so kissable. Let me go over the ingredients that we're using and the amounts. Now this is good for about 10 to 15 jars. These are the little jars that I'm using. These are called lip balm jars. You can find these anywhere actually in your local drugstore. Here we have our sugar. This is 4.5 ounces of white fine granulated sugar. Here we have our coconut oil, and once we melt this, it has to be 1.5 ounces. Here we have our amazing shea butter, and once we have this melted, also it has to be 0.5 ounces. And this here is our rose hip seed oil. This oil is great for your skin. It is padded with vitamin C, which helps fight hyperpigmentation. And of course, it has many other benefits. I highly recommend using this oil for this recipe. You have to have this in 0.3 ounces. This here is my eucalyptus essential oil. And once we're ready, this is going to be 20 drops of our essential oil, which is equivalent to 1 millimeter. So if you have a dropper, you can use a dropper, one of those plastic droppers, or you can just drop 20 drops. This is our amazing superfood beet powder, and you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of this, not tablespoon, teaspoon. Here we have our dried rose petals. So I know that you're asking yourself, ounces, what? What happened to tablespoons? But yes, bear with me. This is my kitchen scale. The reason why I do recommend using a kitchen scale to weigh your ingredients is because we want everything to be very accurate so we can get the same results every single time. Alright guys, so now that you know a little more about our ingredients, the amounts that we're using, and just a tad bit of our benefit, let's get started on how to make it. That's it. We're all done, guys. I'm just so happy about how this turned out. I really want you guys to try it out. You're going to love it. It smells amazing, okay? And it's all natural. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. Also, I do have a website and I have a blog, and I also sell my own natural hair and skincare products. So check it out. It's www.bebelily.com. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye.